Have you ever wondered, what makes a man irresistible to a woman? In the twisted dance of attraction and compatibility, certain qualities stand out as magnets for admiration and desire. Understanding these traits not only sheds light on the dynamics of successful relationships, but also serves as a roadmap for cultivating meaningful connections. From being emotionally supportive to showing integrity, there are certain traits that consistently stand out as important to women in relationships. In this video, we'll uncover the top 8 qualities that women look for in a man. By the end, you'll have a better understanding of what it takes to win over the heart of that special someone. So, let's jump right in. 1. Emotional safety. Numerous studies have shown, women crave a partner who provides a sanctuary for their emotions. Feeling emotionally secure allows for vulnerability without fear of judgment. In a relationship, this manifests as active listening, empathy, and validation of feelings. Partners who prioritize emotional safety create an atmosphere where both parties feel free to express themselves authentically, fostering trust and deepening intimacy as they navigate the highs and lows of life together. 2. Communication. Effective communication is the cornerstone of a healthy relationship. Women value a partner who can articulate their thoughts, feelings, and needs openly and respectfully. Clear communication ensures misunderstandings are minimized and conflicts are resolved constructively. When both partners feel heard and understood, it strengthens the emotional connection and builds a solid foundation for mutual trust and growth within the relationship. 3. Reliability. Reliability is essential for building trust and security in a relationship. Women seek a partner who follows through on commitments, demonstrating consistency and dependability in their actions. Whether it's showing up when promised or offering unwavering support in times of need, a reliable partner instills confidence and reassurance. This reliability creates a sense of stability and safety, allowing both individuals to navigate the complexities of life together with ease and trust. 4. Thoughtfulness. Thoughtfulness involves considering a partner's feelings, needs, and desires in everyday interactions. Women appreciate gestures of kindness, whether big or small, that show they are valued and cared for. From remembering important dates to offering unexpected acts of kindness, thoughtfulness cultivates appreciation and strengthens the emotional bond between partners. It creates a nurturing environment where both individuals feel cherished and supported in their relationship. 5. Confidence. Confidence is an attractive quality that reflects self-assurance and inner strength. Women are drawn to partners who are comfortable in their own skin and project confidence in their abilities and decisions. Confident individuals exude charisma and leadership, inspiring trust and admiration from their partners. They approach challenges with resilience and optimism, fostering a sense of security and stability within the relationship as they navigate life's ups and downs together. 6. Ambition. Ambition signifies a drive for self-improvement and growth. Women admire partners who are ambitious and strive to achieve their goals and aspirations. Ambitious individuals are motivated and proactive, setting high standards for themselves and their relationships. They inspire their partners to reach their full potential, offering support and encouragement along the way. Together, ambitious couples create a dynamic and fulfilling partnership built on shared goals and mutual empowerment. 7. Integrity. Integrity is the foundation of trust and respect in a relationship. Women value partners who are honest, consistent, and true to their moral principles. Integrity manifests in actions aligned with one's values, even when faced with challenges or temptations. Partners who prioritize integrity build a relationship based on trust, authenticity, and mutual respect. They communicate openly, handle conflicts with honesty, and uphold their commitments, creating a solid and lasting bond. 8. Respect. Respect is essential for maintaining harmony and equality in a relationship. Women seek partners who value their opinions, boundaries, and autonomy. Respectful individuals treat their partners with dignity and consideration, honoring their feelings and perspectives. Mutual respect fosters a sense of equality and partnership, where both individuals feel valued and appreciated for who they are. It lays the groundwork for healthy communication, collaboration, and mutual support within the relationship. So, there you have it. From the foundation of emotional safety to the peak of respect, each trait plays a crucial role in nurturing trust, intimacy, and mutual growth. By embodying these qualities, men not only enhance their desirability, but also cultivate deeper connections with their partners. These qualities not only enrich our relationships, but also enrich our lives, guiding us towards a future filled with love, understanding, and mutual admiration. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can make more. Thanks for watching.